Hi, I'm Clint Hoffman from Kramer Electronics, here today to tell you about our K-Lock technology on our HDMI cables. HDMI connectors have an inherent problem. They don't lock. In the Pro AV industry, we want connectors that lock. To get around this, Kramer has invented its K-Lock technology. And K-Lock is little tabs or springs on the connector that create resistance. So then that means that you need up to 15 pounds of pressure to pull them out, which makes it much better than the standard connector, which can come out very easily. But why don't I show you? First, let's take a look at an HDMI cable with connectors that don't have K-Lock technology. I'm going to connect this cable to our Kramer TP582R. So let me go ahead and connect it, and then I'll go ahead and pull it out. You can see it's fairly easy. I'll do that again real quick. In, out, very easy. Now, let's get our Kramer cable with a K-Lock connector on it. This is a C-HM/HM-Pro cable, and let's give that a try. So we'll go ahead and plug that in, and now we'll pull on it, and you can see it takes substantially more effort. We're creating up to 15 pounds of pull resistance with the K-Lock connector. So there you have it, K-Lock technology. Very important in the Pro AV industry, and all of Kramer's HDMI cables have it. So for more information, you can click on the link below to download the flyer for K-Lock technology, or you can visit our website at www.kramerus.com. That's www.kramerus.com. For Kramer Electronics, I'm Clint Hoffman. Thank you for listening.